Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Krita error writing to file problem step by step so you can get back to saving your artwork without losing progress. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, including folder permissions, cloud syncing conflicts, file type problems, or simply not having enough space on your drive. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing to try is changing the file location. If Krita is having trouble saving to your current folder, the folder itself may be the issue. Go to File, then choose Save As, and save your project to a completely different location. A great test is to use your desktop, a folder on your main C drive, or even a USB drive if you have one connected. What you want to avoid are cloud-based folders like OneDrive or Dropbox, because those can lock files while they sync and cause save errors. After choosing a new location, try saving again and see if the problem is gone. If that still doesn't work, the next step is to change the file extension. In the Save As window, look for the File Type drop-down menu. Instead of saving as a .kra file, try exporting or saving your work as a .png or .psd file. Sometimes the project file itself becomes difficult for Krita to write, while the more common format saves without any issue. This is a really useful way to confirm whether the problem is with the folder or with the file format itself. Now, if you still get the error, try copying everything into a brand new document. First, press Ctrl+A to select everything, then press Ctrl+Shift. Shift+G to copy all visible layers. After that, create a new canvas by pressing Ctrl+N, and then paste your artwork using Ctrl+V. Once the new document is created, try saving that file instead. This can help if the original project file has become corrupted or if something inside the document is causing the save failure. Another major fix is to turn off Windows-controlled folder access. This Windows Defender feature can block Krita from editing files in folders like documents or pictures, even if you are the owner of the file. To check it, click the Windows Start menu and type Controlled Folder Access. Open the setting and see whether it is turned on. If it is, you can either turn it off completely or use the option to allow an app through Controlled Folder Access and add Krita to the whitelist. This is one of the most common causes of the Krita error writing to file message on Windows. You should also avoid cloud syncing folders whenever possible. Services like OneDrive, iCloud, and Dropbox can temporarily lock files while they are syncing in the background. So if Krita tries to overwrite a file at the exact moment the cloud service is uploading it, the save can fail. The safest option is to use a local folder on your computer, such as a custom folder on your C drive. You can also temporarily pause cloud syncing while you are working in Krita, especially if the error keeps happening in the same folder. Next, make sure you have enough free space on your drive. If your local disk is nearly full, Krita may not be able to write the file properly. Delete any unused files, empty the recycle bin, and free up some space before trying again. Even a few extra gigabytes can make a difference, especially if your artwork has many layers or large textures. If none of those steps fix it, try running Krita as an administrator. Right-click the Krita shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the program extra permission to access files and folders that Windows may be restricting. If Krita saves normally after that, then the issue was likely tied to file permissions. At this point, one of those fixes should get you back on track. The usual winners are changing the save location, turning off controlled folder access, or saving to a non-cloud folder. And remember, if you are working on an important project, always keep a backup copy before making major changes. That way you can protect your work no matter what happens. If this tutorial helped you fix the Krita error writing to file, please give it a like and subscribe for more practical tech tips and creative software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.